This is an in-house solid waste management system in Raj Bhavan. This is the second unit of biomethanation that we have installed. The first one was installed in July of last year. So there we are generating about 2 kgs of gas, and here also we are generating about 2 kgs of gas. And this will feed the kitchens of Raj Bhavan as well as the canteen. Now all the waste here, wet waste of Raj Bhavan, as well as the waste from the small goshala which we are having, all will be fed into this plants as ingredients, and it will generate the cooking gas. So this is a very clean and green energy and a self-sustaining solid waste management system that we have generated in Raj Bhavan. And in future also we will be setting up more units because we are planning for a new Raj Bhavan, and this is the best way in which we can manage a solid waste management system. And we are very thankful to the Corporation of the City of Panaji and the Honorable Mayor for having helped us to set up this new technology here and manage the system in such a clean and green manner.
Seriously thinking to start these types of efforts throughout the corporation areas, and they will promote it. And I am requesting the people of Goa, especially from our city, they will try their best to implement it and make sure of our national policy also.
Anyway, Panjim has always been on the forefront of waste management. Now, with our decentralized approach, we're hoping initiatives like this will actually help now businesses also can take advantage of this. Any restaurant or any hotel that produces a lot of gas and has a lot of wet waste and has space can adopt initiatives like this and actually reuse that and recycle it. So we're hoping a lot of people also adopt this in the future.
कितने project हो जाएंगे ऐसे पंजाब में?
So as of now, we only have around 10 or something like that. So we're hoping to grow those initiatives also.
Okay. Any subsidies there for this?
Yeah, so basically we will subsidize around half of the cost of the thing, through house tax or whatever.
Okay.
And the half will be borne by the
Government.
no, not by the government, by the person who's setting up the thing.
Okay.